Alright guys, in this video I'll discuss three things for the next week. First, fundamental event and the news for the next week, and the second, technical pattern. What type of technical pattern exactly forming in a Nifty weekly time frame. And the third, we'll discuss trading strategy, what type of trading strategy we're going to deploy for the next week, and which direction will take the position. It will be bullish or bearish, so we'll discuss clearly. All right, so before I start, if you are new, please like and subscribe. So every day I'm analyzing the Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty also, and I'm giving like trading strategy, entry and exit point also. All right, so once you're done, please let's get started. Okay, first let me show you the major market. Here I can see major market all are positive. Yesterday we have seen Nifty a positive, Bank Nifty positive, and Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq all are positive. Indian market near about 1% positive, and the rest of the US market are positive more than 3%. It is a probability that price will go up. And major event or news, I think a major event and news are Wednesday and Thursday. So I'm expecting that last till Tuesday price will go higher, because we have seen like future market and the indices all are positive. But here Wednesday some major news are here somewhere there, major news, and the Thursday also major news. So market may shoot up or shoot down, but market will be too volatile again. Some data are here, European data, unemployment data going to release, but expecting it will increase. So I hope that 2 to 3 days price may go higher. So after that again it will give a correction. So let's see later what happened. And today here I can see this is weekly time frame. Right now Nifty in a weekly time frame, they are forming very interesting technical pattern. So this is called three drives pattern. So let me show you exactly what is that. All right, just a minute. Okay, all right, just a minute. Let me draw this one. Okay, let me remove this one. So okay, all right, so let me draw here. So first let me connect this swing point first, and the second, third, they are forming lower low point, fourth, and the fifth, and sorry, this one 6. Okay, let me pull a little more. Yeah, now I can see first why this level is important. So if you want to see, according to Fibonacci level, when price pull back to this level, all right, and again goes up, now you can see this extension from A point to B point, this C point, and now D point is extension around 1.34 Fibonacci level. This is the extension point. And another, here you can see price pull back again, and that extension around 1.3%. It is a probability when they form this type of pattern, it is a probability price reverse from this area. Okay, so right now here I can see price rejecting from this level. Let me connect this horizontal line, sorry, diagonal line. Let me zoom, let me make it bigger. Okay, now here I can see this is the supporting area, and another somewhere resistance now act as a resistance here, this area. So we are expecting that price may retest this swing point very soon. So they are forming. So why this level around 15,200? So 15,200 is important. let me show you another confirmation. I'm going to use simple moving average, which is period is 100. Okay, let me make it a little more. थोड़ा सा, okay, let me make it thicker. Okay, change the color, go to black. Okay, perfect. Okay, now here I can see right now in a weekly time frame this 100 exponential moving average act as a support. Okay, if you want to see the previous market behavior, price was bouncing from this 100 simple moving average. This one simple moving average, not exponential. So price broke this moving average 100, and after that price pull back and reverse from this area, and right now exactly price above this 100 simple moving average. Okay, so now next you can see here, let me zoom little bit. Okay, it was around 21st September 2020 they form. What type of candlestick pattern form? Here form a inside bar. Have it make sense? They form inside bar exactly above this moving average, and right now they also form a inside bar. Okay, it is a probability to bounce again. So first we must find out some support and resistance. So where our entry point will be here. Okay, let me make it little more small. Okay, what trading strategy we will deploy, and where is the support and resistance, where exactly we will enter in this market. Okay, let me remove this pattern right now. Okay, later. Okay, so first we must draw some support and resistance. So how we draw support and resistance? By connecting recent swing point. So where is the recent swing point or swing high? Let me connect this one. Okay, let me zoom a little more. Okay, why I connect this point? So basically I am focusing on multiple rejection point. So here multiple rejection, and exactly we drawn this resistance line just little bit above next week. So here I can see, suppose this is the candlestick pattern. All right, they are forming inside bar. So we drawn little bit above this pattern. So this is the pattern. So exactly we drawn little bit above this candle. Okay, so we counting this pattern. So that is why we drawn a resistance line, and this line are rejecting here, and multiple rejection are there. So means this is the most important resistance line. Means we are looking for buy or whatever, what type of trader, like you are option buyer, so you just go for call buy above this area, or if you are option seller, means you are looking for sell, put sell above this resistance line. It will make sense. Okay, great. Now next the target. Okay, let me draw another supporting line. So I want to draw a supporting line weekly. So this is also most important, because multiple rejection, we need multiple rejection. So here we have seen some rejection. This is supporting line, rejection, and the price also rejection, and we place this supporting line below 100 simple moving average. So next let me draw some resistance line, and here is the resistance line. Why is it important? Price rejecting from this level and the price rejecting from this level means once they break this level at the 15,000 almost 900, so next the target will be around 16,700. That will be our next target. So we are expecting that next week price may retest this level. Okay, let me show you in a small time frame, like that will be daily time frame. Now here I can see daily time frame when we drawn a resistance line by connecting this swing point. Right now this 100 moving average act as a resistance. First weekly time frame, this 100 simple moving average act as a support. Now in a daily time frame it act as a resistance, means if price break this 15,900, there is a probability to hit the level of 16,700. Okay, and in a daily time frame I already made a video, so it's a pullback and it's a 123% extension of Fibonacci. So means our entry point will be above 15,900. Now next, what type of trading strategy we gonna deploy here? So in that case I'll use some option directional option strategy, means I'll buy a call after breaking this resistance line, and I'll sell 2 lot call below this 16,700, and again I'll buy a call, one call, that will be sell minus, it will be plus, call buy above this area. So it will be look like that. All right, it will be look like option strategy. Okay, so right now price will be somewhere there, and if price goes and exactly expire in this area, so we'll get the maximum profit. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, because every day I'm analyzing. So if you continue this type of video, so definitely we'll learn how to trade exactly option in this market with a profitable. So thanks for giving your valuable time.